See how much of that step I got done? Now mind you, it's still low. I'm still going to have to go over it a few times, and so I could mix up half a pan, a little less than I did this time, and know that I've got enough going on for this step. All right. Well, got plenty more to work with here. Sometimes I have to remember, okay, what side is that, so I can load it up on my knife here. Don't get greedy. Work backwards. Let's go. Get it on there. I can feel it getting hard in the pan. Gotta get it off. I have to use my other knife. Jeez. That is getting hard there. Wow. That quick. It's starting to harden up in the pan already. Just like that. I guess there's only so much you can do. And I thought I put enough water in it. I mean, I don't want to make it soupy like cake batter, pancake batter. That's too runny. It doesn't go on. Know your limitations. Know how good you are. If you're just learning, you're not going to want to put this much on in one go until you get better. Right? Okay. Look at that. I didn't even really end up using my big one. Okay. Let's take my big one along there. Just over there. I don't really need it. Don't think. See, I hardly got anything off of there because I lined it up so good already. Hair low over here, and that's okay. I knew that. I knew I would be. Still got my sheetrock screws showing. I just don't want to get a hump, a rump-de-dump hump between the screw and this. Okay. I can see where I'm low, and I had just that little bit of mud left. There. I got pretty much all of that mud out of there before it got too hard on me. Okay, Okay. Well, not bad. Oh, my battery's about dead. I'm gonna have to go replace my battery so I can show you some more. Okay. Well, so far so good. I can see where I'm low through here still. And I know you can see it too. I know you're getting better at this just by watching. It's all about watch and learn. Read and learn, watch and learn. Then you have to do and learn. Even if you don't think you're ready, get out there and start working. You're gonna learn along the way. You're gonna make some mistakes along the way. Hey, I make plenty of mistakes along the way. That's how you learn. Okay, be back in a jiffy. Okay, I got another step ready, but I still have this one up here to finish. And let's see, where am I going to start? Over here, I guess. Now I need to put quite a bit on here, but I want to make sure I use all the material before it starts drying on me. So I'm going to do it where I know it's still a little low. On there. I don't want to be too particular with this on here, because see, I still have a lot of material in my pan. Oh, here we are down here. Okay. Try to get my arm out of the way. See, this stuff is getting hard in the pan again. Almost got it all on there. Get my big one knife out. Make sure I've got it a little low, right? I think I better put the rest of it on. I only have a little bit more in my pan. Clean out my pan all the way. That looks pretty good. Okay. Now I can go back up to this step. And I see I've still got the screw holes up in there to take care of, and that's okay, I'll get them. In fact, I can get it right now. Okay. See, I'm going to get it up at that top edge right there so I can get it.